Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I am back with the second part of Yayoge products review. This is going to be dedicated to their cat eye gel polishes. It's a new spring collection as I understand it. I have colors 1 through 6. Yes, 1 through 6. This is the top coat right here that I'm going to use because I want to do the swatches taking advantage of the color that I use of their builders for my nails here. I'm going to use these two colors. These are 4 and 3. 3 and 4, I'm going to apply them to my nails, and then the rest are gonna go on tips so you guys can see how they apply. And I'm going to use their magnet one right here. I might do some with the straight line and some with the curve. Now these are recommended to go best either by a similar go over a similar color like I'm going to do on my left hand or on themselves. These are not ideal for a black base, unlike most of the other cat eye polishes that are more in the dark family, and to me they seem more of a flair for towards a winter or fall season. This being a spring collection, and the colors are very soft and pastel, so they go best over themselves or similar colors. If you apply them over black like I did testing them out, they all look the same. You cannot tell, and I have here, you will see the variation of colors in this collection. So let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are the results on the swatches, the tips, and I've already finished them with their top coat, and then the two colors that I tried on my nails, just the similar color on the builder gel, the pink, and the, yeah, well, a darker pink. I put the purple over this. But check them out, absolutely beautiful. I love the shimmer, really adds to them. absolutely beautiful, very feminine, very pretty, and I don't know, they really scream spring with these the pastel look on them. And you can see how you can change the cat eye. Well, I did all straight line on these, but I did round on mine, these two, and then straight lines on these two other fingers. And yeah, so these they do require a base coat and top coat. They do cure with a tacky layer, so that's why you want to finish with the top coat as I did here. And if you are curious as to what they might look like over black, so here are the 3 tips that I tested. These are colors 1, 2, and 3. You will not be able to even tell the difference, because here's number 2, okay, is the green. And yeah, 3 distinct colors, but there's no way you could even tell which one's which by putting them over black. So that's the difference, guys. With these pastel colored magnetic polishes, you want them either over themselves. Oh, so I will mention that you will see that first coat that you'll do of the same color, you do have to cure that first coat. The second coat you do not cure, obviously, because that's where you apply the magnet, okay, for the design. And I really like how they turn out over the builder gel here as well. I'm going to keep this for, I'm going to try to probably kill a third bird with the same stone here and stretch these into another review. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Yayoge for sending me these beautiful gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.